Hey YouTube, so we are at Boy Scout. This is Renee's Hill behind me, just to you know, it is actually pretty steep to make it like look real. Like that's how, like it's pretty damn steep. It looks like a little flat thing, but it's really hard to get an angle, obviously, on a camera. So we are turning. We're going to take Boy Scout. It is a tight little twisty-turny trail that will lead us on to, I don't know where we're going, but it goes toward Twister and Barney Rubble and M. And if you didn't notice, it looks like Zach Spender's closed. I don't know why, but it is, like you can see behind me. It's all like sectioned up. I heard that a section of land was sold or something up there, so maybe part of Zach Spender was sold. I don't know. But this was a trail that we came down yesterday. Probably when these videos get cut up, it'll be like 10 videos ago or something like that. But we're here again the very next day. But I do not believe we're going to be doing Renee's Hill today because we're on a green group. So we will see you guys shortly. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Hey YouTube, so this is basically the example of like the typical AOAA trail. It is typically what looks like it used to be like an ATV or side-by-side trail that Jeeps can barely fit through, and then when you elevate yourself to like the next level, which would be like a blue, it would incorporate obstacles also with it being narrow, and that's just sort of typical of AOAA. Hey, and I wanted to just point out to the newer people, if you watch the taillights here, you're going to see that for the most part I can always see the person in front of me's taillights, but I'm not focused on his taillights, he's focused more on me. So you see how he went around the corner and he's basically still there. He doesn't have to be like right in front of me, but you see he basically stopped for me so I could catch up to him. So essentially what you do is you watch the person behind you and you always make sure that they don't get too far behind, so you know they don't get lost basically. So you're making sure the person behind you doesn't get lost, don't get lost. You don't really worry so much about the in front of you. And even here, like you can see he's pretty far away, but you can see that like essentially he's slowing down for me, so I can catch up even on this like kind of longer distance. So I know it's like really hard to see the perspective here, but we are going up and down hills right now in this video. Like right there you can see we went down. We keep making turns and then we're going either up or down. You can see there like it turned flat again. So this whole area, like I was saying, is where the steepness is. And to the right there, that trail there is SOB. And there's a video of us doing it also. SOB is a double black in the park, which would mean that it is a ranking of a 8 of 10, where 7, 8, 9 is black.
Hey YouTube, so we just finished 41 I think, Boy Scout, and then 41, and now we're on hitting 17. So please like and subscribe. Here's our fearless leader. Woo! Woo!
AOA for the win!
Yeah.
So this big area right here on our right hand side that we are about to pass over. You'll see some like blue little things on the side of the Jeep. It's like right here on the right. That is the pipeline, and essentially the pipeline goes through the entire park, and it's some kind of pipeline they just put that I guess carrying oil or something is my kind of guess. But a lot of the trails have kind of been changed around over the years because, you know, of the pipeline going in. But I've heard that like there's also some really good positive things that have come of it also. Like they're going to build a new like overlook or something. So we are headed in the direction back toward the gate, if you didn't notice. So the end of the day is starting to wind down. There's one more video to go on this ride that we'll do, and then you'll get to see the next trip. So these two rides were basically testing out the lift kit and everything that we just put on, and then we're going to be going to Tennessee, so you're going to get to see a bunch of Tennessee footage. So yay! Please like and subscribe, and we will see you guys around.